This short video will show you how to use the new system for scheduling library instruction, effective December 15th, 2025. Let's start on the library homepage and click on Faculty in the navigation bar. Next, click on the Schedule Library Instruction button. On this page, you will see links to research guides and tutorials, but for now, let's click on the box that says Schedule Library Instruction for English Courses. Please review the lab protocols and instructions before making your reservation. Then scroll down to the scheduling grids. There are two grids, one for in-person instruction in a lab and a second for live streaming instruction. If you see the Login button, click on it to log in and begin the request. You will see a checkbox labeled Include Requested. You can ignore this box. In the drop-down menu, there are two choices, Separated or Overlapping. This is a display preference to show if your requested time conflicts with other existing reservations. Click on the date to open the calendar and select your preference. Please note, requests must be made a minimum of 7 days in advance. You will not see any availabilities for a week out. For this demonstration, let's choose the date January 16th, 2026. Remember to click the blue Login button if it is showing. Click on the time you want your reservation to begin, then drag across to your ending time. You can adjust this on the next screen in the Date and Time section. Please ignore the Additional Time section. Now scroll down to the Contact Information section and fill out the fields. Once completed, click Save to submit your request. After your reservation is reviewed by the library, you will receive a notification if it can accommodate your request. Additional requests must be made separately. Thank you so much for using Fulton Library. For questions regarding instruction scheduling, please contact the instruction coordinator. They are very happy to help.